So this job today, we've got a composite door with a thumb turn, and the thumb turn isn't doing anything, and so the key locks. It's an auto locking door, and unfortunately the customer couldn't get out of the house. They had to go round, unlock the door just to be able to leave from the outside. So we're going to swap the lock out, put a new one in so she can leave. There we go. So that's a new APECS 3-star British standard lock installed. Thumb turn is now working. The lock is then supplied with 5 keys in total, 10-year manufacturer's warranty, and a £2,500 break-in guarantee from the manufacturer as well. You can also stick a password on the keys, so nobody, if you lend a key to someone, you know that no one's going to be able to get a copy of the keys cut